Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Autistic Reborn Mommy. My name is Justine. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And click the bell, then click all to get notified every time I post a video and go live. I do make daily videos with my babies. They all have disabilities, meaning that they are all autistic and they have learning problems. Plus, they have auditory processing disorder, sensory processing disorder, and some of them also have other disabilities as well. Everybody is welcome to my channel, and we are doing a Valentine's Day tag through the end of the month. And next month we will be doing the St. Patrick's Day tag, and tag us with the @ Autistic Reborn Mommy. And let's get on with the video, guys. Today we're here with Ellie, and she has a bit of messy hair, but that's okay. We're going to fix it. She has brown hair, brown eyes, she has teeth, she has on her camouflage sleeper that has a lion on the side of it. She is going to be getting her hair redone up because she wants mommy to redo it. And also we're going to get the puppet, of course, because she is back for good to be in the videos. So let's get doing her hair, guys. Okay, so I just took the hair tie out of her hair. She wants me to braid her hair. Now, normally she's sick when she wants her hair done, but I checked her temperature, made sure she's not getting sick or anything, and she's not. Thank goodness. But she just wants mommy to do her hair, so she wants it braided, and I'm just taking 3 strands of hair to braid. And of course it's not going to be perfect because she does have shorter pieces of hair, and her hair is curly, so that makes it a tad bit harder to do as well. We have been relaxing today. The babies have been sleeping a lot because it's been raining, and I expect that they will be doing that all the rest of the week and to next week because of just constant rain. But it's okay because it keeps them out of trouble and from wanting to get into things. Plus, we are going to be doing outside videos once the weather is warmer and it stays warm. And also, we are excited to be able to stay outside, and the babies can't wait to stay outside and play and have more daytime to play instead of it getting dark sooner. She is in the same pajamas, all the babies are, because they don't like to get changed all the time, but that's okay, huh? And yes, she is a big girl, and she is sitting on my lap watching The Nanny because it is one of her favorite shows to watch. It is muted, so there is no copyright with that. You got stuff in your hair, little girl. But she really likes to have her hair done up, mainly when she is sick. But this time here, she's not sick or anything. She just decided she wants to have her hair done, so her hair is done up now. And we're going to get the puppet and have the puppet telling a joke. Okay, the puppet is here. She has brown hair on her ears, between her eyes. She has yellow hair. She has orange, pink, and yellow hair on her head. She has black eyes and nose. She has a red tongue. She has a red shirt, blue jeans, and pink Converse on. And she is a special puppet. She can drink from a cup and a water bottle. She can talk. Yes, I can talk very, very well. See? And check this out, guys. I can fly. And I have many different names. Guess what my name is today, guys? My name today is Super. Guess what the super is? Da 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 da. Are you gonna actually say your name, or are you just gonna stall everybody? I'm gonna say my name. Don't worry. My name is Super. What should my name be? Super. Let me think here, guys. I know. How about we call you Super Rose? Okay, yeah, that's my name, Super Rose. Woohoo! I'm a super girl today. But yeah, my name is Super Rose. Guess what, guys? We have Ellie here today. Woohoo! It's been a long while since you've been into the videos, little girl. But I'm so glad you're here and you're back. And Mommy redid your hair for you. And you're still gorgeous, Ellie. Yes, you are. And guess what? I have kisses for you. And guess what? I know you was joining us and getting hyper with not hot chocolate, but chocolate milk yesterday. And man, we gotta get some more of that. And shh, don't tell your mommy or your uncles or your aunties, but shh, we're going to get more chocolate milk and we're going to get hyper even more, okay? Shh, don't tell them. And guess what? We can have a party. And guess what? I can't wait because I hear that this summer we're going to have ice cream parties. Woohoo! I can't wait for ice cream. You know I heard every word you said, right? No, you didn't. I don't know what you're talking about. We didn't say anything about, having chocolate milk without you knowing it. But, yeah, we can't wait to have ice cream parties. What's this ice cream party going to be? What is it going to be? Tell me. Okay, first of all, did you have more chocolate milk today? No, why? You're acting like a hooligan like you did yesterday. I'm sorry, but I promise I didn't have any chocolate milk today. And I'm sorry I almost said hot chocolate, but we don't really get hot chocolate because it ain't good for us to burn our mouths because it's so hot. I know. But let me settle you down a little bit, okay? Are you calm? Yes, I'm calm now. Okay, so listen. The ice cream parties is going to be all of us outside having some ice cream. We don't know for sure yet if there's going to be any toppings for it, like chocolate syrup, sprinkles, marshmallows, M&Ms. But either way, it's still going to be ice cream, okay? And we're going to eat it outside. Is that for all of us? And can everybody join us too? Yep. And it's not going to be a live video, but not a live video. It's not going to be a live stream, but it's definitely going to be a video. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to have ice cream with you guys. I love ice cream. This is how I eat it. Go. Excuse me. Do you feel better now? Yes. And I was pretending to eat ice cream already too. Man, I can't wait to have some. Ice cream. Now you got me wanting some right now. I know, I want some too, but we gotta wait to get some. Oh man, can we get some next month? Can we get some soon? Can we? Yeah, we're gonna get some soon, don't worry. And why do you say next month, goofball? Because I know next month is March, silly, and that's when it's spring. Woohoo! I can't wait. Ooh, I shake my butt. I know. But you know what else happens next month, right? What besides the spring? Daylight savings. Is that when the time changes so you go forward a daggone hour? Yep. And you know what that means? There goes to sleep again. Why does a daggone time have to change? I feel like it's so old with it changing. Why can't it just stay the same? Jeez. I don't know. I wonder the same thing. Anyways, I have jokes for you guys. Knock, knock. You say, who's there? I say, blah. You say, blah, who? I say, blah, blah, blah. Get it? Blah, blah, blah. Anyways, guess what? Why did the chicken cross the road? To get some food. Get it? The chicken was hungry. It wanted some food. And, guess what else I got to say? Guess what? Why is 6 afraid of 7? 'Cause 7, 8, 9. What do you call an egg on a log? Eggnog. Get it? Eggnog. That stuff is gross, but some people like it. Ugh. Anyways, guess what else I can't wait for? The ice cream party and to be outside. Oh my gosh, it's so fun. Oh man, I had to pop my knee and I gotta fix my butt. Man. Okay, I'm back. I popped my knee and it hurt, but now it feels better. And man, I had to fix my butt too. Whew, that was close. And don't worry, I don't have any ants in my pants either. Whew, thank goodness. But guess what, guys? I can't wait to watch Lila Crocodile with the babies later, and maybe sometime when they watch it, you'll get some sneak peeks of the video. Yeah, it's my favorite movie, yes, even though I haven't seen it yet, but I know that their mommy have seen it, yes, and she loves the movie so much. And that reminds me of a joke. Knock, knock, you say who's there? I say moo. You say moo. I say movie. Get it? Movie. How do cows communicate? Move. Move. Get it? All the cows say is moo. I'm so funny. But guess what, guys? I can't wait till the babies are home. Woohoo! And guess what? I'm getting me a new friend. I can't wait to have me a new friend. My friend is a monkey, and I'm gonna ride my monkey. I'm gonna ride my monkey. What do you think of that, Ellie? Do you have anything to say about getting a monkey brother? He goes, she's speechless. But that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If so, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It is 1000% free. We have seen that 43.3% of you are not yet subscribed. Please, guys, subscribe. Click the bell, then click all to get notified every time we post a video and we go live. And please remember to be you, do what makes you happy, as long as you're not hurting yourself or others. Also, please pray for everybody. And yes, I said pray for everybody that is struggling with mental health, battling cancer, been affected by the snow and the hurricanes and floodwaters. Also, the shoutouts go to everybody. We'll see you all tomorrow in the next video. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.